Hi guys, welcome back to Headless Chicken. Just realized that we are almost in June now, and which is half the year. Like we've just crossed 6 months. And when we speak about June and May, the one thing which comes into my mind is mangoes, and mangoes are my favorite. I come from India. I love mangoes. Hi guys, I'm going to show you something different today. Actually, how to eat mango. I can say Indian style or maybe grandma style. My grandma used to love mangoes. She used to enjoy eating them. She'll take maybe 15-20 minutes to eat one mango. But I won't show you that long. I'll just show you what she exactly used to do. First thing is like she'll be just rolling this for a long time. She'll do this. Or sometimes she'll put it on the floor and do this again and again, so that the whole the juice of mango is completely collected inside. Then she used to bite it on the top, make a hole, right? And then she used to do just suck it out. Just keep pressing it and yummy. So this is how you have to actually enjoy a mango. So no mess, nothing is there. But she used to go messy. I'll tell you how. So first thing is just she'll go have this completely. Can make it juicy. What is left is just the skin, nothing else. Completely. I enjoyed it. Once you have had all the juice, she used to take the mango seed out and she'll use the hand hit it this way. Whatever final is left, she'll just squeeze this, get the juice out, and eat it like this. So nothing is left. Just leave this. Use the seed. Maybe like in India, what we used to do was like just go dig a hole in the garden and plant it. You might get a mango tree. So yeah, this is how you have to. Not you have to. This is how you can eat mango. My grandma style.
She got vision, she got vision, she got vision, ming, 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 she got vision, she got vision, she got vision.